Good morning, students. Today's topic, Unit 3, Multivariable Calculus. The topic is a change of variables. In this change of variables, we will use a chain rule. The chain rule is, suppose z is a function of two independent variables x, y, where x is a phi of st and y is a psi of st. That means x, y's are in terms of s comma t. Then z is considered as a function of s and t. So by composite function, so we will have z is in terms of s comma t. Now dou z by dou s, which is obtained by differentiating z with respect to s, that is a dou f by dou x into dou x by dou s plus dou f by dou y into dou y by dou s. Let it be equation A. Similar manner, we will get dou z by dou t, that is a dou f by dou x into dou x by dou t plus dou f by dou y into dou y by dou t. Let it be equation B. These two equations A and B are represents a chain rule for partial differentiation. The equation A and equation B are represents chain rule for partial differentiation. Don't forget these formulas. Here z is in terms of xy, but xy's are in terms of st. Using xy's, substituting in f of xy, then z is ultimately becomes in terms of s comma t. Problem: if u is f of r and x is r cos theta, y is r sin theta, then prove that dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is f double dash of r plus 1 by r into f dash of r. Given x is r cos theta and y is r sin theta. So using these two equations, so we will have r square is x square plus y square, which is obtained by squaring and adding these two equations, and computing the dou r by dou x, which is obtained by differentiating partially with respect to x. R square derivative is a 2r into dou r by dou x, x square derivative is 2x, y square derivative is 0. Clearly 2r dou r by dou x is 2x, 2 get cancelled, so we will have dou r by dou x is x by r. Now u is f of r. Now dou u by dou x can be written as a df by dr into dou r by dou x by using chain rule. Dou u by dou x is a df by dr into dou r by dou x. Just obtained value is x by r. It is the value of dou u by dou x. Now again differentiating partially with respect to x. Using product rule, df by dr, x by r kept as a silent, df by dr derivative is d square f by dr square into dou r by dou x, plus df by dr is kept as a silent, x by r derivative, which is obtained by using division rule, u by v formula, vu dash minus uv dash by v square. R kept silent, x derivative 1 minus x kept silent, r derivative is dou r by dou x whole by v square. V square means r square. So this expression is simplified and rearranging the terms. So we will get, let it be equation 1. So this will be the value of dou square u by dou x square. Now we need the value of dou square u by dou y square. In a similar manner, we can proceed as say, we will get the value of dou square u by dou y square. So it is the value of dou square u by dou y square, and adding these two equations, we will get the required statement, that is dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is f double dash of r plus 1 by r into f dash of r. Hence proved. So simple. Just we have to obtain the partial derivatives. Dou u by dou x again differentiated with respect to x. Dou square u by dou x square. Similarly, we can write dou square u by dou y square. Adding these two equations, we'll get the required statement. Hence proved. Next sum. If z is f of xy and xy's will be x is e power u plus e power minus v, y is e power minus u minus e power v, then prove that dou z by dou u minus dou z by dou v is x into dou z by dou x minus y into dou z by dou y. So here we have given equations xy's, let it be equation 1 and equation 2 respectively. Now dou z by dou u, which is written by using chain rule. Now computing the partial derivatives of x with respect to u and y with respect to u. E power u derivative e power u, e power minus v derivative 0. Dou y by dou u, e power minus u derivative is minus e power minus u. E power minus e power v derivative is 0. Similarly, dou z by dou v. So writing dou z by dou u and dou z by dou v using chain rule. Now just subtracting these two equations, that is equation 3 and equation 4, so that we can obtain the left hand side expression of the given statement. So that is a dou z by dou u minus dou z by dou v. Now taking common as dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y. So dou z by dou x and dou z by dou y are taken out. But what is e power u plus e power minus v according to given statement, that is x. E power minus u minus e power y v is y. So which gives the required statement, that is a dou z by dou u minus a dou z by dou v is x into dou z by dou x minus y into dou z by dou y. Hence proved. So simple thing. Once again, given statement x, y's are in terms of uv's. That means here variables are changed here in terms of uv. We have to obtain z with respect to u, z with respect to v partial derivatives. Just we have to subtract. To compute these partial derivatives, we have to use chain rule. Just subtracting and then simplifying, substituting the given values, we will get the required statement. Hence proved. Another sum, w is a function of xy. X is r cos theta, y is r sin theta. So clearly variables are changed here. X, y's are in terms of r theta. Then show that dou w by dou r whole square plus 1 by r square dou w by dou theta whole square is dou f by dou x whole square plus dou f by dou y whole square. Solution, given x, y's which are differentiated partially with respect to r, keep theta as constant, while differentiating partially with respect to theta, keep r as constant. R constant, cos theta derivative is minus sin theta. Similarly obtain dou y by dou r and dou y by dou theta. Now dou w by dou r, which is obtained by using chain rule. So dou w by dou r, which can be written as like this using chain rule, and using the above calculated partial derivatives. Similarly dou w by dou theta and substituting the above computed partial derivatives. Now with the expression is multiplied with 1 by r. So let it be equation 2. Now just squaring and adding these two equations. So you'll get the required statement. So simple thing. So here variables are changed, but we can compute the required partial derivatives by using chain rule. So totally the change of variable concept is depends upon chain rule. Don't forget the formula of a chain rule. These partial derivatives can be splitted as like this. That is a dou w by dou r and dou w by dou theta. Another sum, uv is f of x square plus 2yz, y square plus 2xz. Then find the value of y square minus xz into dou u by dou x plus x square minus yz into dou u by dou y plus z square minus xy into dou u by dou z. Solution, given u, let it be f of vw. What is v here? X square plus 2yz. What is w? Y square plus 2xz. So v, dou v by dou x, dou v by dou y, dou v by dou z. These are the partial derivatives of v with respect to x, y, z. Similarly w, the partial derivatives of w with respect to x, y, with respect to z. Dou u by dou x, writing dou u by dou x using chain rule formula. But here uv is a function of vw, so that we can write it as dou u by dou v into dou v by dou x plus dou u by dou w into dou w by dou x. Already we have computed dou v by dou x value and dou w by dou x value. Substituting, we will get like this. Let it be equation 1. Dou u by dou y. But what is u? U is a function of vw. So dou u by dou y can be splitted by using chain rule and substituting the values of dou v by dou y and dou w by dou y, which are obtained by using above. And similarly, we can obtain dou u by dou z also, but u is a function of v and w. So dou u by dou z can be splitted by using chain rule and substituting the values of dou v by dou z and dou w by dou z. So we will have equation 3. Now consider y square minus xz into dou u by dou x plus x square minus yz into dou u by dou y plus z square minus xy into dou u by dou z. That is dou u by dou x, dou u by dou y, dou u by dou z values which are obtained from equation 1, 2, 3, which are multiplied with x square minus yz, y square minus xz and z square minus xy respectively, and adding all these three and taking the common as dou u by dou v and dou u by dou w as common. Clearly all terms are get cancelled here. We will have 0 as a result. So this is the answer. Thank you. So this is about change of variables using chain rule. For any queries or doubts, please contact my contact number and you can mail also. So this is the mail address.